Back in the day with the cam in his hand, Gilbert was rolling through small town land. Birthday candles and BMX wheels captured the moments, the magic that feels. No filters, no fame, just life on the screen. Press rewind, let it play, it's more than a dream. Gilbert's time machine, rolling back to 83. Living moonlights in old school scenes. Family
5,600 miles this car has. An escortist. Arrow. Brewery. Arrow. Videotapes I need to be able to play these back. Well, as you see it, I just bought a new Raktamara. Can you pick up that box so I can see it? Allura 80 is a model, and I bought it brand new. I could have went on eBay to buy a camcorder, but I don't want to do that. I want one brand new, even if I'm paying a lot of money for it. That's okay. Just want a new one. I want new. And I paid. I love bought some movies to go with it too. It was $475. So I won't be using this camera anymore. And speaking of which, the tape is already almost over. Okay, we're almost there.
Oh, damn. There's another in and out right here?
What? I don't know of any others around here. And?
To go inside.
There is nothing. There is no inside restaurant yet.
Oh,
But
they have restroom though?
okay, here. We're here, but it's gonna be a while. Then I gotta find the parking. If we're lucky to find the parking right here, which I don't know or not. So
655 or 765?
no, 6 something. $6.55 it was for the meal.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Allura 80.
What do you have? The balance soda?
No, I had.
Han, they don't want that.
Got a Dr. Pepper.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's get some to the bathroom.
What?
Bathroom.
Aired. I wonder if it's even open. Well, we can eat right here, huh? Like, is it open? I guess. Okay. Damn, these meals certainly does look good, doesn't it? Very tasty, isn't it? Although right now, at this time, while I'm making this video right now, I don't exactly have the craving for an In-N-Out, but Love is the one that wanted it, so we'll just eat here. And then I picked up these advertisements. They're not even advertising the camcorder in this, in these, but that's the one that I liked, though. It's like I always liked the way the Canons looked. This one is like, I was looking at this one, I liked this one too. Look. I liked this one too, but it lacks a lot of things that I would like, that I actually like in a camcorder. It lacks a image, watch out. It lacks an image stabilizer. Okay, case later.
And can you buy me some clothes?
Here, you already got some at the thrift store here.
A blouse. Can you buy me some?
Why?
Huh?
Why, Ed? You're not gonna fit in anything right now, Ed.
They have the maternity clothes right here, right? The one $6.99.
Nope.
Can you buy me one?
Nope. Yeah, here.
Okay. Are you sure? Are you sure? You're going to buy me one?
No.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, here. Just, where would we get a parking over here?
Go, then find a new one.
Hero. I don't know if I wanted to bother. I'll just park right here. But I need to put the rock camera in the back, though. Right here.
Give me.
Okay, I'll turn this one.
It's like seeing the whole which is which. They all plan and
They are me too.
What?
Nothing. And then my new rock camera.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you Esmeralda?
No, that's Esmeralda over there.
Gorge, they sure do look alike. Hi. Are you Esmeralda?
No, but I got a nice recipe for mousy stew.
Come on, Goofy. Let's get out of here. Whoa, I'm right behind you.
That's good enough?
Yeah. We're home. Got everything? All of it? Yeah?
Yeah.
No?
I told you, yeah. I got it everything.
No, Harold. Oh, wow. Why, Harold?
What?
Hurry. Oop. Arrow. Okay, now to try out my new rock camera. And
That's it.
of course I got some cheese and some collared video tips.